This might be the last time I wash this car with a black paint job. I'll tell you guys in a little bit what I mean. Alright y'all, we're leaving off where we left off in the last video on the channel. We bagged the Corvette. Check it out. This thing is sitting on the floor behind me. If you guys are new, this is my C6, the Z06. And yeah, last video we put on some air suspension. Absolutely crazy. Current setup are these BBS RIAs. And as you can see by the title and thumbnail of this video, this is not going to be the official setup. Got some wheels for this car. It's going to take it from, it's literally going to take it to the next level. And it's honestly something I've envisioned ever since before I've owned this car. Now that the bags are installed, next is the new wheels. And I'm so freaking excited. But yeah, if you guys are not up to date, we installed the Air Spec suspension alongside their P-Spec management. So full Air Spec suspension, struts all over, paired with their Air Spec management. So did a full walkthrough on the install on the bags for this car. It actually wasn't too bad, man. Pretty straightforward. I've done bags quite a bit on this channel. Pretty much the crisp spec. So I crisp spec all of my cars. And this Corvette is next up on the list. I'm excited to go and pull up to the shop, get this thing in the air, and fingers crossed the wheels fit on the Vette. Pretty sure you guys guessed it. The new wheels for the Corvette are actually on the M3. Cool thing is this car and the C6 share the exact same bolt pattern. These are my 19-inch Workmeisters. I've had this on the car for a good minute. They look really good on the car, but it's tough to say, bro. But I feel like these on the Vette would be even crazier. Only downside is that these wheels are not big brake friendly. So I had to run a freaking fat spacer on this car to make them fit. You can see the brake clearance is pretty minimal. That's the only thing I'm honestly scared about with the Corvette. I don't even know if these wheels will fit or clear the brakes that are on the Vette. Let's go and take them off of the F80, take the BBSs off of the Vette. Fingers crossed it works out, man. Even on bags, full air up, I still can't fit the quick jacks under. Shout out to the beautiful quick jacks for just making the life way easier. I guess it's go time, man. I'm honestly very nervous. If this does not work out, I'm very scared. It's supposed to be part of the big reveal. Now, I'm actually doing a birthday cruise this year on June 20th. I'll go and put the flyer right here on the screen. If you guys are not following me on Instagram yet, be sure to follow me. I am posting a lot of details on my Instagram. But yeah, every single year I do a birthday cruise. Yeah, super cool, because this year we're gonna be doing a full wrap reveal on this Corvette. So this car's gonna be a complete different color. You know, I'm gonna show off the Vette with the new wheels and everything. This car is literally just gonna look completely different than how it looks right now. So you guys will get to see it in person live. We'll pull the cover. If you guys have been following me for a while, we did one with the STI. We did a full wrap reveal on my Subaru WRX STI. I think that was in like 2023. But no, yeah, super cool. You guys got to see it firsthand in person before, you know, I dropped any YouTube videos of the new color. But yeah, this time 2026 we're doing the Corvette. So anyways, long story short, if this wheel setup does not work, I'm gonna be really sad. Moment of truth, man. We got Meisters here just chilling. If you guys remember, like back when I first got this Corvette, crazy story, these Meisters were actually originally supposed to be the official wheel setup for this car. They didn't fit. Now it's kind of funny how I'm talking about this right now, like, oh, well, I hope they fit, because before they didn't fit. But when I was installing the bags in the last video, I noticed that behind the control arms, I don't know if it was stock or the previous owner, but they had so many washers, 4 washers behind each of these bolts. And that literally made it poke out more. So I'm thinking they did that for like whatever wheel setup they had for fitment purposes. So I didn't know that before when I test fit these Meisters on this car. So I'm kind of curious if the Meisters will fit now, because I removed all of those washers. Wheels actually like camber in quite a bit since I took those washers off. So I'm very curious, very curious if these are even close to fitting. Same thing with the rear. There was like 2 or 3 washers behind the upper control arm bolts. Same thing as the front. So I'm kind of curious, man. I'm kind of testing this out, seeing if they fit now. If they fit, that's just gonna be freaking amazing. But if they don't fit, I actually have some like camber arms on order. Worst case, I could just install those. Here, I got some PBM stackable spacers. I feel like I talk about these so much, so I'm not even gonna freaking go into detail, but super clutch. I run these spacers on freaking almost all of the cars. But yeah, it comes with a 15, a 7, 5, and then a 3 mil, I believe, totaling in 30 millimeters. And these are ARP studs built in, so super cool. We're gonna try the 30. I believe I needed 30. I take wheel fitment very seriously. You guys already know. Dude, I am just hoping this works out. I'm not gonna torque it yet. This is just for testing purposes. 30 millimeter, see how it goes. Alright, I'm freaking scared now, not gonna lie. Alright, all the way down. It's hitting right there. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking scared. I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't have a lot of threads to work with either. But oh my gosh, this is doable for sure. Okay, let me put another 5 on. This is not okay, man. I'm freaking scared. Yo, oh my gosh. We're talking a freaking pube hair. Look at this. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm a broken record right now, but I think this fits. Dude, there's no way. Is this even like good? Or do I have to shave that? Cause yo, I think this literally fits. Poke. I think this is doable. When I air out, it should sink in. Whoa, okay. Wow, I'm kind of like, oh man, look at this. Oh my gosh, trying to contain myself, but this might work, bruh. Don't mind the toe on the front. The toe is so off right now. Like the toe is actually really bad. It's like angled out. Need an alignment. I'll probably get one tomorrow if all goes well. Rears are on, and I think we're good, man. I think that should tuck in when we air out. Same deal, literally 35 millimeter spacer. Yeah, this is insane, bro. I swear, man, if this setup works out, this Corvette is gonna be so freaking hot, dude. So hot, bro. Freaking Z06 on Meisters is crazy, and aired out on the floor. Moment of truth. Let's drop the car. I'm gonna do the fronts first. Oh my gosh. 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 Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm literally like, bro, there's no freaking way. Guys, what just happened? I literally cannot believe it. I literally cannot believe it. Are you kidding me, bro? Do you guys see what I'm seeing right now? No adjustment, by the way, on the air strut. You have got to be kidding me, bro. There is no freaking way, bro. There is no way this ended up working like this. So you're telling me the biggest spacer I could run, slap that on to clear the brakes just by a millimeter, and the fitment came out like this? There's no freaking way, bro. It's literally telling you this is the hottest Corvette. This will be the hottest Corvette. And I haven't even wrapped it yet. Oh my goodness, dude. What the freak is this? Guys, smash the like button. You gotta smash the like button on this video just for this. Oh my, wow. Heck, why is there a freaking bee out here right now? This fitment is spot on. Now it's actually hitting right here. But like I said, the toe is super out right now. It's like literally like this. So I think when I get in alignment, they pull that tie rod in a little bit. It should be perfect to where it just, you know, it clears this tire area right here. But, oh dude, this is insane, man. This is insanity, bro. I literally cannot believe it. We literally just pulled it off right now. Peep that ride height. All right, so I've just been adjusting this. Peep the ride height. Fire. Wow, that ride height is just freaking, gosh, dude. Check the rears. Oh, dude. W ride height, man. On the Michelins. Oh my god, bro. That looks so crazy. Yeah, we just pulled up to RTA. Yeah, this is a spot for alignments. If you guys need an alignment in South San Diego, hit up my boy Rudy over at RTA. But this time for the Vette. This thing needs an alignment so bad. This car looks so beautiful. I actually just uploaded the bag install for the Corvette on the channel literally like an hour ago, and just going through all the comments. A lot of you guys seem to enjoy so far, you know, the bags on the Vette. Yeah, man, it's cool. A lot of you guys always comment that you guys are eating dinner around the time I post my vlogs. I feel like I low-key kind of post a little bit late. For here, it's like 6:46 right now, so I posted this about 5:30ish p.m. about an hour ago. But it's pretty funny. A lot of you guys always comment, oh, like just in time for dinner, this and that. So if you're watching right now while eating dinner, comment down below what you guys are eating. Just like that, we are done. Car is freshly aligned. That way we won't destroy the tires on the Meisters. I still need to fix that reverse light too. Sorry if it's kind of zoomed in. I don't know if you guys like this, but I don't know where my wide lens went. I literally left it somewhere. I think it's in a different car. It's kind of close, kind of like the old school Chris Borges vlogs, low-key. I used to have it like really close like this. I cannot like put into words how cool this car looks now. This fitment is perfect, literally. It's perfect. Fender to lip in the front. Gosh, man. Insane. This car's so fire. But yeah, dude, like I said, we're not done, bro. We're actually getting this thing wrapped. I'm dropping it off when I'm filming this tomorrow. So literally gonna be full on makeover, man. Tomorrow we're dropping this thing off for wrap. It's gonna be a complete different color. Comment down below, what do you guys think of the bagged freaking Corvette? Pretty sure you guys know how I feel about this new wheel setup on the Vette. Yeah, man, came out great. Comment down below what you guys think of how the Vette looks. I feel like I'm not even gonna talk about it anymore because I feel like my expressions throughout this video showed that pretty clearly today. In the next video on the channel, we actually drop the Corvette off at the wrap shop. So right now as I film this, the car is actually not in my possession. It's at the wrap shop, and I think he's literally starting it today. So very, very, very excited. Again, we are gonna be revealing this at the birthday cruise this year. I'll put the flyer again right here on the screen. See it firsthand, you know, the wrap color, what I choose, here live at this event on June 20th. Before I even post it on YouTube. So yeah, man, hope you guys all can attend. Anybody locally, come through, man. Should be pretty fun. We got DJ, food vendors, the wrap reveal obviously, and also the exclusive new merch that I mentioned in this video. So should be a good time, man. I'm very, very excited. But yeah, appreciate y'all for tuning into today's video. And if you made it this far in the video, so hyped on the new wrap, man. I seriously cannot wait to see it. But anyways, hope y'all have a good one today. Make it a good one, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. This is the color. Oh, I'm so excited.
Bro, it's gonna look so good.